The 2025 Lincoln Corsair is a luxury compact SUV that blends elegance, technology, and performance into a refined package. With its sophisticated design and premium features, this vehicle caters to those who value comfort and innovation. The exterior of the 2025 Corsair showcases a sleek and modern look with a bold front grille, stylish LED lighting, and well-defined body lines that give it a confident presence on the road. The overall design reflects Lincoln's commitment to luxury and attention to detail, making it a standout choice in its segment. Under the hood, the 2025 Corsair offers multiple powertrain options, including a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and a plug-in hybrid variant for those seeking efficiency without compromising on power. The standard 2.0-liter turbocharged engine delivers a smooth yet dynamic driving experience, while the Grand Touring plug-in hybrid model combines electric and gasoline power for enhanced fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. Both options are paired with a responsive automatic transmission, ensuring seamless acceleration and a refined ride. Lincoln's advanced all-wheel drive system is available for improved traction and stability, making it suitable for various driving conditions. Inside the cabin, the Corsair exudes luxury with high-quality materials, plush seating, and an intuitive layout. The interior is designed to offer maximum comfort, with available premium leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, and an advanced climate control system that keeps passengers comfortable regardless of the weather outside. The spacious design ensures ample legroom and cargo space, making it practical for daily commuting as well as long trips. The front seats are power adjustable, and the available massage function adds an extra level of relaxation, creating a first-class experience for both drivers and passengers. Technology is a key highlight in the 2025 Corsair, featuring a large infotainment touchscreen equipped with the latest version of Lincoln's Sync system. The interface is user-friendly, offering seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A premium sound system enhances the audio experience, allowing passengers to enjoy their favorite music with crystal-clear quality. The digital instrument cluster provides essential driving information at a glance, and an available head-up display projects key details onto the windshield for added convenience. Lincoln has prioritized safety in the Corsair, equipping it with a suite of advanced driver assist features under the Lincoln Co-Pilot360 package. Standard safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Higher trims offer additional safety technologies such as a 360-degree camera system and advanced parking assistance, making maneuvering in tight spaces effortless. The combination of these features enhances overall driving confidence, ensuring a secure and stress-free journey. Driving the 2025 Corsair is a refined experience, with smooth handling, a quiet cabin, and precise steering. The suspension system is tuned to absorb road imperfections, providing a comfortable and composed ride. The available drive modes allow drivers to customize the vehicle's performance to match different road conditions and personal preferences. The plug-in hybrid variant offers an electric-only driving mode for short commutes, reducing fuel consumption and contributing to an eco-friendly drive. The 2025 Lincoln Corsair is designed for those who appreciate sophistication and modern technology in a compact SUV. With its impressive combination of style, performance, and innovative features, it stands as a strong contender in the luxury SUV market. Whether you are looking for a comfortable daily driver or a refined travel companion, the Corsair delivers on all fronts, making it a worthy consideration for potential buyers. This is Car Insights, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews and automotive insights. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest car models, reviews, and industry news, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring you more high-quality content, so hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting car reviews.